back to my channel. Now, you guys have probably seen our last baking challenge where we were blindfolded.
Oh, I found it.
Yeah. So today we're going to do something a little bit similar, but except we're going to do it with no hands.
So we're just going to tape our hands quickly before we begin.
This is the only time we'll be working together. Okay.
Okay, and then...
Okay. Ready, set, go. Start.
Oh, this is ridiculous. I'm using my tits.
If you can see, I have got the scissors in. I've made a hole. I am doing freaking insanely good. Okay. This is
Impossible.
good. Oh my god, I got it in. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. First time.
Yes. Two-thirds of a cup of milk.
Thank you for getting that for us. Oh, that's right. I'm doing something different. Oh. Ow.
That's the only way I was going to be able to do that.
So, Asha has gone for some lemons, and I have decided to go for some chocolate milk, like a mocha cake. Anyway,
Okay,
so
so
let's continue. The cup. Can you get out of the way? Open.
So the problem is this is full. So whenever I put my arms on it to pick it up, the milk is like going to the top.
Use your mouth.
Where's the lid?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm impressed. I'm impressed. That is the most gorgeous thing I've ever done. I might try and doing 2/3. Oh my! This is impossible.
Gotta find a way. I can't even get this egg glass open.
Do you want me to help you? Are we going to
No.
help each other a little bit?
Well, actually, maybe because we both need to use the eggs.
Alright. How about I just do it myself? Since you suck, get out of the way.
Yes, Cass, please go ahead and do that. No, no. Very good. That was good.
I know what I'm going to do.
No, that's dangerous. What if I choke on it? How do I do this? Yes. Dang it.
Why are you doing that?
Because I saw your mouth.
How many eggs is it?
2.
Oh, for God's sake, who bought these? I swear to God, I grabbed that out with my elbows.
Is that with the eggs?
Yeah, get away, but it's
Can I
mine.
use
You cannot use it. It is mine.
Please. That was purpose. That was on purpose, okay?
Oh, damn it! I'm gonna scoop this.
Oh my gosh. I did it! The middle. Stop. You're gonna smash the plate. Oh, that. I don't think someone should eat your cake. Can we clean up a bit?
What is that?
Karis thought that she got the egg. It's just stuck. So, update. Our mum is cleaning because Karis literally, when it looked what looked like her scooping the egg into the bowl, literally just made the egg scoop into the cupboard and it's like gone everywhere. My mum just hit her this, which I think gets me points because I'm doing
No
this
way.
way more.
Oops, I just grabbed my thing with. Okay.
No,
I'm trying to do it.
I'm gonna use this side of it.
Wait, how the frick did you get that? God's sake, I hate you. Okay. Oh,
I didn't. Can you just do it from your freaking side, please? Don't do that.
Piss off from my head. I'm amazing. Yeah, I know. Okay. Okay. Yes. I don't know how I'm gonna mix this, but I'm gonna do it. I think that. Oh, I've gotta add butter.
Oh,
Frick! Just adding it in my mouth, I swear to God. What?
do not bite it.
Of course. I don't care.
You're not gonna do that.
Yeah.
Stop. That's rank. Okay, wait. Just use one from here. I don't know if this is the best or literally the worst idea ever.
This is literally the worst idea I've ever had. Okay, look at that, guys.
Oh, you're using. Go on. Oh, it's on the floor.
Okay, glam happened. I'm gonna have to freaking have another shower. All right, I'm ready to mix. Can you help?
Oh, no, stop. Get away from me.
I don't know if you know, but right now I'm literally leaning an egg. Oh, I know what she's doing. She's not putting proper lemon in it, she's putting a fake lemon.
This isn't fake.
It's fake lemon. Guys, I'm actually doing really good. Look at how it's turning out.
That's disgusting.
It doesn't. It's just because of the milk, but it actually is good.
I can't get it open.
Bad luck. All right, I'm gonna add my secret ingredient. Woo! My secret ingredient. I bought dark chocolate the other day.
Oh. Just pick it up and drop it. Don't make those noises. What happened? Guess what happened? What happened? What happened?
I'm scared.
Kara's tried to do this, but then her mouth touched the egg. That's unfair.
It's coming along.
Honestly. This is so funny. We've just put the batter into our cake tins.
Yeah, and taken off our disgusting
Gloves.
Yeah.
Our hands are like felt wet.
We are gonna put them
In the oven.
into the oven. Ashes in. We're going to be cleaning.
Interlude. Okay, so cakes are out of the oven and they look interesting.
Yes, very interesting. Let's give them a taste now.
Oh, mine's great.
Oh, look at that hot heat. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cute. That's so cute. Taste mine?
Okay, we'll taste Karis's
Taste mine
first.
first. Mine is a mocha cupcake with chocolate chips inside. Ready?
Well, I actually don't know if I can do
You
this.
can do it. It's not that gross.
No, but Karis, do you know how these were made?
Alright.
In terms of texture, the cake is very good. I really like the texture of the cake.
That's so good.
It was like fluffy, squishy. What's missing for me
Mocha.
is the fact that I can't taste the mocha and the chocolate is overwhelming, very powerful and very bitter. Okay, now we're going to try my concoction of a cake as well.
What I can taste, I feel like I can't taste the lemon, I can only taste coconut. Like it's a really powerful coconut.
Yeah, I kind of ended up doing that because I couldn't get the lemons in properly.
I really like the crisp on top. You like it?
We need a guest judge.
Cam, come be a guest judge. We need you to taste each one of our things.
I made a coconut cake. And Karis, what did you make?
I
What is
made
that?
a mocha and dark chocolate cupcake.
Did you make that up?
Yeah, you can just.
But don't give us your scores until you just give us little feedback notes.
Doesn't have that much flavour.
Yeah, it does.
Definitely a slight hint of coconut. If I had lemon, it would be amazing.
Yeah, thanks.
We should do some zest on that something.
Yeah, if only.
Can I get one with the chocolate on it?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah,
Dark-
get the one with the most chocolate.
It's very overpowering dark chocolate, but yeah.
Get it.
I kind of like that.
Oh!
His
It's actually
love.
got some flavour to that one.
Yeah.
Are you serious? It's supposed to taste like coffee. You only tasted the.
I didn't taste any coffee.
Yeah, exactly. You only tasted dark
Tasted the
chocolate.
dark chocolate.
Yeah, we'll taste a bit without the dark chocolate on it.
This one up.
Now, hate on it.
It's just as bland.
Yes, it is.
Lucky I added
So-
dark chocolate.
This one that has no chocolate would suck.
No, it does have chocolate in it.
A pea.
Alright, so Cam, all up, who wins?
What'd your mum say? What was
No,
it?
she hasn't voted.
If you saw how they made it, you were going to vomit that you even put in your freaking mouth.
Oh my god.
You seriously ate that and you have no idea.
Oh no.
They made it with their teeth, basically.
I'm hoping you didn't like lick the ingredient.
Just use one from here.
Oh my god. That one's like a 3 out of 10.
Okay.
It doesn't taste bad, it just doesn't taste good. That one with the chocolate's like 5. Without the chocolate, it's like 3 as well. It's a good- it's a
Karis
good-
wins this challenge.
I win it by a pea chocolate.
Karis won,
I won.
which
Typical.
is annoying. But
There's
I'll
always
win
next
next time.
There's always next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.
Oh, I don't even know if I want to see how you made it now.
You do.